But before we start the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Select all notifications so you don't miss any uploads. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create my sugar body scrubs that I use for pretty much exfoliating and moisturizing. So we're going to start off with 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to go in with some vitamin E oil. I add in about a teaspoon of vitamin E oil in there. Then I'm going to go in with some carrot seed oil, which is kind of like a natural SPF since I'm allergic to SPF. So it gives me a bit of protection. So a bit of that, a couple of squirts of that. Then sweet orange essential oil. I add in about 6 to 8 drops of that. I add in a lot of avocado essential oil, and I also add in some argan oil and some jojoba oil. These are all really good oils for healthy skin, especially if you have super dry skin. Then I add in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now for my sugar, I'm using white fine sugar. This is granulated sugar. And then I'm using a coarser sugar to exfoliate a bit more. So a fine sugar and something a bit more coarse will give you a good texture to exfoliate. But if you don't need like the super coarse stuff, if you don't like have super dry skin or flaking or anything like that, you could stick with the fine sugar. But I do like the combination of the two. Okay, so I add in about a cup and a half worth of the fine white granulated sugar, and then I add in 2/3 cups of the brown sugar that is a bit more coarse. So I'm just gonna mix this together. And you just want to, mix it all up together. Before you add it in, by the way, if I didn't mention, mix up the oils and then add in your sugars and just mix it up. It should not be super wet, okay? It should not be like super, super wet or super, super moist, okay? I know some people would want to go for that, but it could be a little bit hard to work with if it is super, super moist and super wet, and your sugar can melt on you really quickly and it won't last as long. All right, so usually when I make my sugar scrubs, I keep them for about 2 to 3 weeks in my bathroom and covered, and I'll tell you guys how I use it. So after I'm finished taking a shower, and I really hate putting lotion on my skin. By the way, I'm adding some more sweet orange essential oils because it's my favorite and I love the smell of it. And it keeps gnats away because I hate gnats. Well, I don't hate, well, yeah, I hate gnats. They go in my eyeballs. And then I add a bit more vitamin E oil. But anyways, when I'm finished showering, I really don't like adding moisturizer to my skin. It's just like, it's like a chore. I hate it. So what I do is when I'm done showering, take the shower off, I let most of the water drip off my body, and then I take my sugar scrub and scrub my entire body and lightly rinse off any leftover sugar and then pat dry. This way I'm moisturized and exfoliated. Okay, so this jar I got in the Dollar Tree. It's a good size jar and it holds my 1.5 cup plus 2/3 cups worth of sugar scrub with all the oils and everything. So you could put it in there real nice and loosely, or you could pack it in there and fit a bit more. But I like mine to stay in there loose, just to keep the air flowing, I guess, in there. I like it loose. I don't like my sugar scrubs too compacted. But if you like the compacted, go ahead and do that. It's just easier to work with when it's nice and loose. Okay. But definitely, if you can, get a jar that has a cover. You don't want anything that's going to rust on you in the shower. And I do suggest, use your sugar scrub with the shower off. You don't want water going in there. It's just going to melt the sugar and it's going to turn it into like a slushy looking stuff. And it's not going to be as good as it is right now. All right, so this is my leg. This is to show you guys that I really love you. I have super dry skin and it's caused by probably not drinking enough water and probably my thyroid. I have hypothyroidism, which causes dry skin, brittle nails, and sometimes your hair falls out. And I experience all of those. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is what my leg looks like, closer to my ankle. And just putting on just a bit and rubbing it off, it's definitely a big difference already. And in a situation like this, I would just rinse it off and I'll be good to go. It's like a whole new leg. And here I use it on my left hand, and on my right hand I actually had moisturized with regular moisturizer. So just wanted to show you guys that too. And just wanted to let you know, use it on your booty. Can I say booty? Is that a Not a bad, I'm not sure. Use it on your butt. It will make it feel super soft and moisturized. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.